RN46, real easy to rebuild. All you need is a 5/32 Allen. Take your cap off. You have a valve in here. Pull it out if you want to replace the O-rings in it. The main thing about this gun is don't pull the driver out. Pull the whole cylinder and the driver in one piece. This driver has this gasket at the bottom. To get the driver out, you got to take this gasket off. It's got a little split in it. Just take it off, take your bumper off, pull the driver out and change the O-rings. Put the gasket back on. You got 2 O-rings in here. Unbolt this. This assembly pulls back. Other than that, it's real easy to work on. Bolt that back up. Test it. You're good to go.